Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a vlog for you guys, and this time it's like a day in my life vlog. So a lot of you guys asked me to do this, but my day pretty much is very boring. There is nothing much that I do on a daily basis, but I thought I'll show you guys something that I do, for Instagram. That is, I take my own photos for Instagram, and yeah, the whole blogging thing. So I thought I'll show you guys how I do it. I'm not a professional photographer. My photos are not that great. It's not like very artistic or anything, but still I managed to do something. So if you guys like my photos, you can watch this and see how I do it. It's no big deal. I'm not going too much into the technical side of the photography or what I do in my camera and all that, but I'll show you guys the whole setup and how I do it. So yeah, let's get started. So whatever you see on Instagram, mostly the photos are taken by myself. So this is a dress that I bought from a lifestyle long ago. I think it's the brand Ginger, but then I couldn't wear it anywhere. So this is I'm wearing it for the first time, and this is a bag that I bought from Shein, which is also dusky pink. I love dusky pink. So I use this bag a lot, and it was very dirty. I usually throw it away when it's very dirty, but then now as Shein is blocked here, I can't buy any more cute bags like this from Shein. So I thought I'll just wash it and reuse it. So I washed it, and it somehow is bit neat now when compared to the previous condition. So yeah, I'll just do my makeup and come back. So Lakme 95 is my go-to product. Whatever, if you don't have anything else, you just need this and a lipstick with you and you're good to go. Like if you're traveling or if you're going for an event, you need just this compact and a lipstick and maybe a mascara. That's all you need. I did my eyebrows yesterday, so it's pretty clean right now. And for the first 1 week after you do your threading, your eyebrows looks really good. After that, it's like, ah. So I'm done with my makeup. Nothing much. I just did foundation and then pink eyeliner. Pink eyeshadow, and then this foxy kind of eyeliner and blush and the pink lipstick. That's it. And yeah, this hairdo, I don't know if I'll change during the photo shoot. I always do that. Once I don't get the vibe from the hair, I just change it later on. So let's see. So I'm gonna take this white bedsheet and I'm gonna use it as a backdrop on that door. So what I did is I used the white bedsheet there, and I used the tripod to focus here on my camera. So my camera is here, so that when I go stand there, the focus will be correct. You can do that, and that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I used that stool with some artificial plants there, and I have the background, and it looks like this on screen. So yeah, let's do it. So I told you guys I keep changing my hairstyle during the shoot because sometimes I won't feel it. So here, this is the setup that I had. I was sitting on this stool and taking it, and right opposite to me I have this ring light. I'll show you guys. So I have this ring light. I just used ring light for this because I have natural light coming from outside, but it's not that great, but this is just to highlight the face. So yeah, I got a couple of photos. I think I always feel like not satisfied after the shoot, but once I sit down and edit it, it comes out okay. So let's see. All right, so I'm kind of done with the whole shoot. I got this idea of filming a day in my video, part by part, like small things from Debashree. I love her. She's been posting videos about a day in my life, but parts by parts, not like a whole day, which is great. If I film my a day in my life the whole day, it'll be pretty boring. So I thought, this will be a little more useful for you guys if any of you guys want to take your own photos. So I thought like I'll just show you guys what I usually do. We have to be our own photographers at times. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.